Good Tuesday morning, 79 degrees right now. Got a little bit of cloud cover out there. It's not producing anything other than just clouds, not any rain. That doesn't sound right. 646. How's your Tuesday going so far? Hopefully good. Hopefully you get everything done early so that you don't have to be out in the heat this afternoon. It is likely to get up to a record territory, but not to exceed it. We're going for 106 for the afternoon high today. We'll likely break a record tomorrow when we go for 107. I'll show you the numbers here in a little bit. Now, got a light breeze out there, although if you look at the clouds, they're moving along pretty good this morning. Quite a few of them. Again, as I mentioned, not producing any rainfall. Humidity at 82%. Temperatures anywhere from 72 in Fredericksburg, nice there, to 77 out at the airport, to 80s in some spots like Rockdale, Lampasas, and San Saba. Got some upper 70s as well, lots of 79s, including here in Austin over at Camp Mabry. We have temperatures that are in the 70s locally, some 80s to the north, 85 up in Dallas, and then 69 in Amarillo, 74 in Oklahoma City, 73 in Little Rock, even 71 in Albuquerque. Why through here? There's a little stationary front there. You can see some of the clouds and the showers that have moved through. You've got a few showers there. They move south, that they're not affecting us, not going to get any rainfall. That's not going to make it our way, but oh, we'd love for it to do so. Forecast model has a possibility for a few showers to the north, and they get, about 100 miles into the state, and then that's it. And there are a few showers possible out to the west of us. But again, Central Texas, for us, we are the last ones to see any kind of rainfall. There are no expected breaks. So for today, 106. That ties the old record set back in 1953. Winds out of the south at 5 to 15. Tonight, upper 70s. And then, and this is where things get interesting, because we really thought we were going to get at least a little pullback on temps. Not the case. Yesterday got to 106. We're going to go for 106 today. That ties the old record. 107 tomorrow breaks the old record of 105. 105 on Thursday would tie it. We're still looking at 100s. In fact, 105s and 104s into the weekend, and still very dry.